Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on Bitcoin, looking at the daily time frame, we do have a bullish reversal candlestick forming. The low of yesterday was down at 755, the low of today 751. So building support around 750 psychological, let's call it. And we've got a clear bullish reversal candlestick. It has to be confirmed in a convincing way tomorrow. So tomorrow's a pretty important day to wrap up the week. Obviously, Bitcoin's going to continue trading through the weekend. But looking at the hourly time frame, why I do think we are going to see some progress for the bulls is because we broke some resistance here. The high of the bounce attempt initially was up at 826. We pulled back, established this base of support, and then we made a move right now up to 833. So that's a higher high. So I would expect the bulls to form a higher low and then make another move back towards that resistance, 833. We'll see if the bulls can break that level and confirm that reversal candlestick. So looking at it a bit differently on the 4-hour time frame, we can see a couple bullish candlesticks. Now we're consolidating, looking for a bullish MACD cross and some follow through. And the next resistance after 833, if we can get above that level, I'd be looking at previous support down here, 875. That's now going to be resistance. So let's move a little bit of these lines around. We'll put that support at our lows. I want a resistance level at 875. Not sure what that line's doing there, so we'll get rid of it. So on the weekly time frame, we are confirming the bearish reversal candlestick very clearly, but we are seeing a lower wick forming. And if we see some further upside tomorrow, it will be a pretty decent lower wick showing the bulls buying the dip on this weekly candlestick. Checking out GBTC, we also have an important pattern forming here. The 50-day moving average support is 107.11. We have an inside candlestick which shows the range is tightening. So tomorrow, if we see a break of the high of today, 110.88, that's a bull break, and we'll be looking for a bullish day tomorrow. And if we see a break of 105.60, we will likely lose this 50-day moving average support. There's a little gap to fill down here at 102. That would be our next target if we continue heading to lower lows. So it's a pretty important day for Bitcoin in the short term, and we're just looking for a daily level to be established to give the bulls confidence that the bottom of this dump is in, for now at least, so we can start to see the bulls re-enter. But an important lesson, look at the bullish upside we saw here. It was a huge bull breakout, and this took place from, let's say, December 7th up until January 4th. So 3 days less than a month was the bullish action, and then in 2, 4, 6, 8 days, we took it all back. So essentially, in 25% of the amount of time, we dumped and lost all of the gains we made over those 3.5 weeks. So it's just important to know to have a game plan for an exit point, and not sure if you can put a stop loss on Bitcoin, certainly not, but would definitely be worthwhile to have your exit plan in place. If the price hits X, I'm exiting and protecting my profits, and then I will step back, reassess the situation, and either look for another entry or go about my merry way with the profit. So we'll see how tomorrow goes if we get that bullish reversal confirmation, 833 short-term resistance. We'll check back in over the weekend. I'll see you then.